Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling an input method that supports Pinyin. Go to Settings, Languages and Input, then Virtual Keyboard. This ensures the system recognizes new keyboards. Once done, tap Manage Keyboards and turn on your chosen app, for example Gboard, because it has stable Pinyin support and tone options. Make sure permissions for keyboard input are allowed so it can offer suggestions. This step is critical to let the app function system-wide. After enabling, switch to the keyboard so you can configure layout and language choices. Now configure Pinyin behavior inside the keyboard app. Open the keyboard settings from the virtual keyboard list and select languages. Add Chinese, then pick Pinyin as the input method. This connects Roman letters to Chinese characters. Once selected, set tone input on or off depending on whether you prefer numeric tone keys. Adjust suggestion density and layout, QWERTY for typing like a computer or 9-key for one-handed use. These settings control how predictive text prioritizes characters, so tweak them while testing in a Notes app. Finally, practice typing and conversion. Switch keyboards by long pressing the spacebar or using the input icon, then type Pinyin syllables like Nai Hao. Watch the candidate bar populate with character suggestions and tap to convert. Use comma and space to accept phrases. Use tone numbers if enabled to narrow choices. If characters aren't appearing, make sure Chinese language pack is downloaded, clear personalization data, or reinstall the keyboard. This fixes most recognition issues. If problems persist, toggle permissions and restart the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.